How does land subsidence affect local sea level rise? Imagine standing on a coastline where the land is slowly sinking beneath your feet. This quiet process can have a big impact on how high the sea appears to be in that area. Land subsidence is when the Earth's surface gradually lowers, often because of human activities like pumping out too much groundwater or natural shifts deep underground. When land sinks in coastal or low-lying regions, it makes the sea seem to rise faster relative to the land itself. This means that even if the ocean's overall level isn't changing much, the local water level can increase significantly because the ground is dropping. This effect makes flooding more common and severe in places where land subsides. Storm surges and high tides can push water further inland, threatening homes, roads, and vital infrastructure. For communities already struggling with poverty or homelessness, this added risk can be devastating. They may find it harder to protect their homes or access clean water when the land keeps sinking. Natural barriers like wetlands and mangroves also shrink faster in sinking areas, reducing their ability to buffer storms and rising waters. Most land subsidence is difficult to reverse, especially when caused by groundwater extraction. For example, cities like Jakarta have sunk several meters over the past few decades, displacing thousands of residents and increasing flood risks. Even if global sea levels stabilize, local sinking can continue, making the problem worse. This creates a double challenge for vulnerable populations who already face social and economic hardships. From an environmental justice point of view, land subsidence hits marginalized communities hardest. These groups often lack the resources to move or adapt when their land is sinking. Addressing this issue involves better management of groundwater, investing in stronger infrastructure, and creating policies that prioritize vulnerable populations. By doing so, we can help reduce the social inequalities linked to climate change impacts. In the end, land subsidence acts like a hidden amplifier for sea level rise. It lowers the ground, making floods more frequent and intense, and worsens the effects of climate change on communities that are already at risk. Tackling this problem requires both natural and social solutions to protect everyone from the rising waters.